I'm really happy for my friend and agent Mark Kosicke, because I'm getting older and older. And so I'm the old horse in the stable, if you want, and there's the young horse already. For long term, very good, very good. Big coaching talent. We don't know each other pretty well, because we never had the real time. When I left Germany, I'm not sure if he was maybe still U19 coach or something like this. But since his Bundesliga, we write messages and things like this. I really follow his way since then, and because I like good football, and obviously his team is playing interesting and good football, and so I follow his way. And yeah, he's not the only one, but he's a good example for a lot of really good young managers in Germany. So it's an interesting time on the manager market in Germany at this moment.